Hack Gmail account recovery without email, OTP or phone number. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch any browser that you have on your device. After that, launch the Chrome browser. Then tap on the search bar and search for Gmail recovery. Here, just select on the option, very first option, which is how to recover your Google account or Gmail. So tap on it. So as you do that, just scroll down and you can see there are different steps on how to recover your Google account or Gmail. So scroll down and here you can see the option of someone else is using your account. So just tap on recover a hacked or hijacked Google account or Gmail. Now as I tap on it, it will take us to a new page. So just scroll down and this is option of if you can't sign in, just go to the account recovery page. So tap on account recovery page and here all you need to do is just mention your email ID or your phone number and then tap on next. So just let me use one of the email ID over here. Then tap on next and here just tap on continue. If you have passkey, then you can use it. If not, you can just tap on try another way option at the bottom of the screen. And as you do that, you can just continue and change your password, and that's how you'll be able to recover your hacked Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.